Yeah. What the heck? I don't have a nose. I can smell something. What the heck? Yeah, but I act not this way. It's just a video, so okay. Ew! Huh, he threw his flip-flops away. Those brand new. Oh, the trash bag's down. My old gaming console. I think I'm just glad. I think I'm a hero. I think I'm in the garbage can. Just get the garbage can. Well, again. Well, hey, at least I don't have a nose, so I can still smell. How? Well, I don't know, but it's just it's a tiny bit. See that little bit of it? I don't have one nostril now. Great. I just don't know why. I'm waiting for the doctor to do something about it. Maybe give me a new nose. Oh, don't worry. We'll get there. Alright, just relax. Hey, Creeper, what do you want? Take out your trash. What do you mean take out? Oh, hey, Siberian. Welcome to the party. Shut up. Okay. Take out your trash, Creeper. Come on. What do you mean by taking out the trash? You never took out the trash yet. Never. My family doesn't do that. They keep it just in case we go homeless. We eat out of the trash. Why? Well, it's a savings, man. Keep it wasting stuff. I thought that was just for storage. For storage? You threw away my. They were cheap. No good flip-flops for storage. They were cheap, so take out the trash, Creeper. Alright, fine. Gosh. I thought you said this, Siberian. I was sorry. Oh, Jesus' head. What do you put in this? God, an Xbox? I swear to God, if you throw my Game Boy Color. Have you seen the garbage truck? What's a garbage truck? No, what's a garbage truck? Oh no, yeah. A garbage truck. Oh, it's so cool, man. What a wait and see this cool garbage truck. Oh really? How cool is it? Oh, I do not know. Here it comes. This is so cool. Here it comes. Oh, this is so cool. What the heck? Hey, how you doing? I'm just gonna. Darn it, Bendy, you got one on the side. Darn it. Don't worry, they get that. Oh, come on, with this. You more responsible. All right. And you still missed. All right, god darn. There. Happy now? Yes. Now get the other one. All right. Jesus, so man. Oh, look at this. Oh, man, this is. I need backup. This thing's heavy, man. What? Oh, it's heavy. I'm sorry. Let's see. Oh, jeez. Oh, this is heavy. I told you. All right, ready? Okay. Okay. I think that's good. Go back in. I think I can operate the machine. I think I can operate this machine. Let me see how these buttons work. Ow! Okay, yeah. Oh, stop it. Okay. Oh, that's how you do it. Oh, lucky me. Okay, now what does this button do? You're kidding me. Oh, God. Maybe the claw will grab it. I do not know. Maybe the claw will grab it. Try to get serious again. That's work. Oh! I didn't hit the button. Oh! You're welcome. Back up, moron. We're trying to get this. Alright. Hey, get the trash can, idiots. I'm so sorry. This is Creeper's first time. I'm so bad, Creeper. Those guys were not nice. Just they were nice people. They take out stuff and they put it in the junkyard. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go inside and play my Game Boy Color. What's the for? Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna go outside. Yeah, go inside, Creeper. Go inside. It's so nice to relax out here. Foxy? Foxy. Yeah, what is it? I swear to God, if you threw that Game Boy Color, what Game Boy Color? Okay. On a Game Boy Color. It was on the counter, and now it's gone. And nobody touches my Game Boy Color. And if someone does, I put them in my garbage truck. Where is it? Okay, Creeper, don't get mad. I swear to God, don't you even think about it. Yeah, what's the for? Give me a reason. Yeah, okay, fine. I threw it away. Why did you throw it away? Well, because it's old, Creeper. It's from 2029 in the 90s. What are you, 90s kid? That was my favorite thing ever since my mom gave that to me. And I've never seen it again. Well, now she's in Colorado, and she's being all paid, whatever. Okay, look, man. I don't know where she lives, because apparently she left. I mean, she went, and I had to go home, but I had the house. Look at me, man. Ever since my mom gave me that for college, I swear to God, I played that every day. Every single day. Yeah. Get in the car. We're stopping that truck. We can't. Oh, we're stopping that truck no matter what. Doesn't matter how much it takes. I'm getting that thing back. Come on. Okay, fine. Come on, Creeper. I want to drive. No, I'm driving. You shut your mouth. Let's go. Oh, God. Maybe try notifying them. The silent man's asleep. I know what to do. It didn't work. Oh, man. Hold on. I got even better idea. How about my idea? How about we jump on? No, we're not doing no action instead. We're doing the classic. I don't know if it's classic. Oh, what the heck? Yo, Inky. What, man? Ain't cool. What? Looks like they got guys and people on the side. What? Wait, what? What the heck? I see that. Have any reasons to go? Keep going, man. Keep going. Alright, I'll keep going. Hey, chubby fat boy! What? Stop! I ain't stopping. Later! Darn it, let's go! Come on, let's go. We lost them. Darn it. Well, Foxy, why are you stopping the road? Because I'm coming. Look, man. This is all your fault. How is it my fault? No, it's an old Game Boy. Not your fault. You're the one who threw that away. If you didn't throw that away, we wouldn't be on this garbage truck heist. I just want to go back to childhood, man. Alright? God. Yeah, we'll try, okay. Let's go to the junkyard. Fine. Well, alright then. Oh, God. Ow, my face. Oh. Yo, Inky. I can shut up now. What? Pull that lever. Alright then. Okay, got it. There we go. Oh, it's working. Wow. What the heck happened? Oh, wait, got a process. Alright, open behind watch. Alrighty then. Alright, let's see. It's working, pal. It's working. What the heck? Oh, I forgot it's extended. Ugh, great, I have to do this again. Oh, alright, there we go. Oh, wait. Bendy, where are you? Hey, stop. Get out of there. I'm burning garbage. Ah! You're kidding me. Okay, okay, chill out, chill out. So I'm ready now. What the heck? Whatever. Come on, get back in the truck, man. Yeah, get back in the truck. Maybe now. Fine. Can I get in the truck? Oh yeah, we're on the highway. Yeah, it's scary in there, man. I think I'm gonna pause it. So I'm gonna move over here since it's a bike drive. All right, let's go. Oh, that was fast. Ugh. Okay. Come on, man. Come on. Where's my Game Boy? Oh. Oh. Beautiful. Oh, finally. Stop it. Let's go, creeper. Hey, stop it. Get back in the car. Fine. Take my flip-flops. Oh, rude you are. God. Oh, so that was my candy cane. God, that's a candy cane. We didn't do a beautiful Game Boy. Alright? Get in the car, creeper. Yeah, that's what I thought. You're driving home. You're driving home. Get in the car. You need my cane. You threw me a candy cane. I don't care. That's a candy cane. Compare to a Game Boy Color. Okay. Oh my god. Yeah, that still works. Yes. Yes.